you with the hair update on one of AliExpress's vendors by the name of Beaufox. So welcome back everyone that's been here, and welcome to everyone that's new to my channel. Now let's get into this video, honey, because I'm very excited about this video. This is my first time ordering from this vendor, and honey, let me tell you, I am in fucking love with this hair. Excuse my French, but I really love this hair. Like, it's so long. I love long hair. I love the color. I've been doing blonde for a few months now, going on a year. And yes, I just love this hair. Oh my God. So in my other video, I mentioned that I ordered from Beaufox, and I ordered a frontal in 3 bundles. The frontal was a 20-inch, and the 3 bundles were all 26 inches. And that's it. It has minimal shedding. Like, I honestly, after I co-washed it and toned it, I really haven't gotten any shedding. Like, and disregard that. That wasn't a hair doing that. That was my slow self doing that. But look at this hair. Like, look at it. Like, I love it. I put a few curls in it. The curl pattern is BodyWave. I got BodyWave. And yes, I think I will be ordering from this vendor again because, like I said in my previous video, the communication was great. The shipping and arrival time was great. Everything was a plus. Like, I honestly don't have anything bad to say about this vendor, except that when I first, unpackaged the hair, I got a few strands of hair shedding, but this is 613 hair, so it's expected to shed a little bit more. But other than that, I really have no complaints. Like, the lace is beautiful. The front, like, I love it. So shout out to you, Beaufox, because I will definitely be ordering from you guys again. Like, this was so perfect. Like, I'm going to give you guys a 360 of the hair. And like I said, I put some curls in it. I wand curled it. I just love this hair. Like, it's just, I really have no cons about this hair. All pros, no cons. And I kind of expected that because, like I said, before I order any type of hair, I always read the reviews either on AliExpress, or I'll take my to ASS to YouTube and look up those YouTube reviews, because I'm not just going to waste my money on some $300, $400 hair. No, I don't got coins to keep wasting like that. I don't. Wish I did, but I don't. So I'm just really impressed, and I'm excited how good this hair came out. Like, the unit, I toned it, it's everything. Like, I love everything about this hair. Like, honestly, no, like I said before, this is not sponsored, it's not paid for, so nobody is paying me to say this. This is my honest to God opinion, and I love it. And yes, you guys, that's just that. I just wanted to come to you guys with an initial update after I installed and toned the hair and everything. And yes, I love it. And I will be keeping it this color. I don't plan on putting any color into it. I just love it. That's all that I wanted to say. This is all this video is about. So once again, welcome to all the newcomers. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe below. And I will be coming back to you guys with a new video coming soon.